nicely situated in Chestnut Hill on a quiet road, only 3 miles from Main Street Highlands and around the corner from the Highlands-Cashiers Hospital. The open greatroom has vaulted ceilings, is bright and airy and opens to the large sunroom. The HOA fees include the maintenance of the exteriors of the home, the landscape care, water, sewer, and road maintenance. There are sevices from the adjacent assisted living facility which may be accessed on an à la carte basis including meals,